Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete method to enable call notification LED light on your Poco M8 Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more useful guides. Now let's begin and turn on the LED notification.